Understanding Grow Light, a guide for English learners. Hello, and welcome to today's lesson on English phrases. We're going to dive into the meaning of the phrase, grow light. This phrase can be a bit tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be using it like a pro. The term, grow light, actually has two different meanings, depending on the context. Let's explore both of them. In gardening, a grow light is an artificial light source, usually an electric light, designed to stimulate plant growth by emitting an electromagnetic spectrum appropriate for photosynthesis. Grow lights are used in situations where there is not enough natural sunlight. Metaphorically, grow light can refer to someone or something that encourages or stimulates growth and development. For example, a teacher can be a grow light for their students, providing the knowledge and encouragement needed to learn and succeed. Let's look at some examples of how grow light is used in sentences. 1. I installed a grow light in my greenhouse to help my tomatoes ripen. 2. My mentor was a grow light in my career, guiding me through difficult decisions. And that's a wrap on grow light. Remember, whether it's helping plants grow or symbolizing guidance and support, this phrase is versatile and useful. I hope you found this video enlightening and feel more confident using grow light in your English conversations. See you next time.